I have lunch already. Sliced zucchini and sliced green tomato. It isn't quite lunchtime yet, but I thought I'd get ready early. Drinking my coffee. But the mail just came. And yes, I have another mail call. I did order some more things in the mail. This one's from MIGardener. So let me get this open and I'll share with you what I ordered. He was having a sale when you went onto his website. I don't know if it's still there or not. If you put in a certain code, you got 50% off. So that was pretty good. I didn't make a huge order. I ordered $16 worth of stuff and it only ended up being $8. So let's see what I've got. I have some ambrosia sweet corn. It says most corn will yield 2 ears per stalk, and the silks will tell you when it's ready to harvest. The silks should be brown and dry with a little bit of green at the base. The ears will feel plump, full to the touch, and green colored. Okay. Gently pull the ear down and away from the stalk whilst twisting to remove the ear and keep it chilled until ready to use. It takes 75 days until maturity. This one is a Market More 76 cucumber. And I direct sow after last frost date. And it tells me how to harvest my cucumber. It's a perfect slicing cucumber, long and slender with a tough skin. Perfect in salads and sandwiches. Red garnet amaranth. Days till to maturity 60. Both the leaves and the seeds can be used. The leaves can be used at any time, just like any other green. And for the seeds, you'll have to wait until the flowers die back and then cut the seeds off. The seeds may start to fall off if shaken. Hang to dry and separate the seeds from the chaff. It's a gluten-free favorite. I have 2 kinds of mustard. Mizuna Red Streaks and Tokyo Bacana. And those are both greens, even though that one's purple. And it says it's a culinary green that has great leaves for salads or used as a spice and can be ground to make condiment. The Tokyo Bacana says that it's rich in vitamin K, B6, B2, A, C, and E, and minerals like iron. Both of them look like they should be very good. We have a white, sweet Spanish onion. And I hope I can grow them to be big onions. My big onions always tend to be small onions, even if I leave them until they're totally done growing. Anyway, this is a long day variety. And I'm not real sure what the long day and the short day and all that stuff means. I guess I should look that up. Anyway, I'm going to give these ones a try. And this one's a red beard bunching onion. Of course, those are for growing to have, you know, green onions I love green onions with a little bit of salt. Put a little bit of salt on the saucer, and then rub the bottom of the onion in it. It's always so good. And this one is a Yellow Wonder Sweet Pepper. We'll see if it looks like it's kind of like a bell pepper, only it's called a Yellow Wonder Sweet. It was designed for New Mexico and it's hot, dry climate, so hopefully it does well here because we are kind of high desert, not high desert, but a little deserty, hot and dry in the summer. Well, that's it. That's all I ordered from MIGardener. But those should add nicely to my seed collection. I need to go through the seeds I already have and see what I'm all out of. Make sure that I have everything I need for next spring. And things that I need to grow during the winter. Some of the greens I can grow indoors or under the row covers and plastic during the winter. Well, that's it for today. I will be cooking my lunch here pretty soon. My way too many zucchinis, I only have 3 of them left, plus my big one that I plucked from my own garden. But this is what I've been doing with them. These are dehydrated. Well, plus eating them and making some zucchini bread. These are dehydrated green peppers. Well, I'm hoping you have a good day. I know this video wasn't super long, but it was long enough. May the good Lord richly bless you until you see me on the next video. Bye.